Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Veru. The report was first published on our website Monday, May 16, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell Veru? In this video you will get insight in both the technical and the fundamental situation in addition to future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Our systems currently rank the Veru stock with a 4.451 score, and our system has ranked Veru by candidates since May 12, 2022. If you were following our analysis, you would have had an amazing gain of 49.5% since we first told you to buy Veru 3 days ago. This is an average return of 16.5% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Veru, our last headline reads, High volatility in Veru Incorporated stock price on Monday, which ended trading at $13.50. The Veru Incorporated stock price gained 3.85% on the last trading day, Monday, May 16, 2022, rising from $13 to $13.50. And has now gained 5 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the day, the stock fluctuated 17.03% from a day low at $12.51 to a day high of $14.64. The price has been going up and down for this period, and there has been a 31.45% gain for the last 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -68 million shares, and in total, 41 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $559.32 million. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $17.38, and the lowest price was $4.34. Right now the price is 22.3%, or $3.88, below 52-week high, and 45.05%, or $11.07, below all-time high February 9, 2021, where the price hit $24.57. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and a further rise within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 77.17% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 6.48% and 138.74%. The 12-month trend indicates a -6.21% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -63.05% and 10.63%. This equals a price between $4.99 and $14.93 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Veru stock received a general neutral rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Veru stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Veru. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. There are mixed signals in the stock today. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, April 14, 2022, and so far it has fallen -9.64%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. The Veru Incorporated stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $9.73 and $9.41. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a sell signal. Pivots gave a sell signal 22 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 26 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 4 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart. gave a buy signal 2 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 26 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 25 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Veru. Veru Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $13.16, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock may move very much during the day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $2.13 between high and low, or 17.03%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 26.19%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Veru. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Veru currently has a price-earning ratio of 90.67. A high price-to-earnings ratio could mean that a company's stock is overvalued, or else that investors are expecting high growth rates in the future. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Veru meets first resistance at $14.10. If you do not hold Veru shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Veru finds first level of support at $13.16, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Veru is neutral. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On April 22, 2022, Barnett K. Gary made an inside buy of 200,000 of common stock option. On April 22, 2022, Greco Michelle made an inside buy of 100,000 of common stock option. On April 22, 2022, Fish Harry made an inside buy of 200,000 of common stock option. On April 22, 2022, Steiner Mitchell Schuster made an inside buy of 300,000 of common stock option. On March 29, 2022, Hyun Grace made an inside buy of 5,000 of common stock option. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive at a ratio of 80.675. In total, the insiders bought 5,139,020 and sold 770,000 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $13, minus 3.67%. This stock has very high daily movements, and this gives very high risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 21 days ago. Is Veru stock a buy? Several short-term signals, along with a general good trend, are positive, and we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity as there is a fair chance for Veru Incorporated stock to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Tuesday 17th, we expect Veru to open up $0.0500 and start trading at $13.55. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Remember that anyone leaving a company stand the chance of winning a lifetime subscription worth $495 to our services. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.